Welcome to Crafting with Wood, a beginner's guide to woodworking. Woodworking is a craft that involves shaping and carving different types of wood to create beautiful and functional objects. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, learning the basics of woodworking is essential. First, you need to have the right tools. There are a lot of different tools and machines used in woodworking, but as a beginner, you only need a few basic ones like a saw, a hammer, a chisel, and a drill. Next, you need to select the right type of wood for your project. Different types of wood have different textures, colors, and strengths. Some common types of wood used in woodworking are pine, oak, cherry, and maple. Before starting a project, you need to carefully plan and measure everything. This can be done using a pencil, a ruler, and a square. Draw the plan on the wood, marking where to cut and where to fasten the pieces together. Now if you want to learn more, click link in the description, like and subscribe.